So now let's see how we can work around with the transform properties of our clips inside of HitFilm. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a video clip on my timeline right here. And if I were to go around and let's say for example click right here and then go around under not effects but under controls, then you can see that transform property is here. So transform is a default effect that is added in. And if I were to go around and click and drag around the video footage right here, then you can see that I can transform it out right here however the way I like. I can hold shift so that I can go around and maintain the aspect ratio as well. Apart from that, I can maintain around the anchor point, which is this point right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and change around, let's say the anchor point, let me just go around and keep it 0 right here, just like this. If I were to click and drag this anchor point around over here, just like this, I can go around and pull this out, and I can go around and then pull this out as well. So let's just keep 0, and then let's just go around and pull this out right here. So anchor point, okay, there you go. So let's just go around, press 0 again. So sometimes it just goes too much. So let's just go around and drag it out right over here. So what happens is that if I were to go around and then use the rotation from over here, it rotates from the anchor point, as you can see right here. So that is basically what the anchor point is for. Then you can go around and work around with scale, as you can see right here, and you can work around with position as well by clicking and dragging right here. And apart from that, you got the opacity, meaning it makes the object transparent right here. And those are the transform properties which are a part of default effects inside of the objects that you bring in inside of the HitFilm timeline. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.